If you own a home, this is something you don't want to overlook. Hi, I'm Stephanie Young, your local realtor here in sunny Orange County. Today, we're talking about simple seasonal maintenance that protects your home value year-round. Even though we have beautiful mild weather, maintenance still matters, especially in a competitive market like ours. In the spring, after the rain, check your roof and gutters, clear drainage, service your HVAC before summer, and refresh your landscaping if needed. Then comes summer, and you know that the sun is no joke here. This is time to protect your exterior paint, check sealants, make sure your AC is running efficiently, inspect your irrigation system so you're not wasting water, and keep an eye on those nasty pests. As we move into the fall, think about preparation. Clean gutters again, seal small cracks around the windows and doors, and service your heater or fireplace before these cooler evenings. In the winter, even though it's mild moisture, it is still a concern. Check for roof leaks. Make sure water drains away from the foundation and replace worn weather stripping to keep energy bills steady. And honestly, my biggest tip, don't ignore the small stuff. Fix little issues early. They turn into big expenses fast. Taking care of your home is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Want a seasonal home maintenance checklist or our go-to vendors list? Comment maintenance below and we'll send it your way. Thanks for watching.